So just in Google AdSense right now, I have around pending around $16,000. But last month I made almost around $13,000 from Google AdSense. So obviously the money is real. You can make a lot of money. So that's why in this video, I want to break down exactly how it works, how you can make the most money, but more importantly, exactly what it is and how you can maximize the amount of money you can actually make from Google AdSense. Now, if you guys don't know me, my name is Bryson. I'm an accountant and I upload videos on YouTube every single day. Subscribe to the channel, hit the bell so you get notified, and do me a favor and absolutely destroy the like button, okay? Now, I want to ask you guys a question really quick, okay? If you're looking up Google AdSense, well, I'm guessing here, you want to start a blog, a website, or YouTube channel, and you want to find out how to make the most amount of money. So comment down below, guys, and let me know what type of website you want to start, or blog, or YouTube channel, and on top of that, how much money do you have to make per month to actually make it worth your time? And also, why are you actually starting? Having a powerful why is very important when it comes to this stuff. Now, if you ask me, guys, it might sound very cool when I say, hey, I make $16,000 per month on YouTube, and you might say, Tommy, that's awesome. But in reality, for the first 4 years, I made around $16 per year, okay? $16 per year, not a lot at all. So the concept is, you have to remember you're running a business and it takes time to develop, and it's not like overnight. Same thing with you right now. If you want to start a blog, a YouTube channel, or a website, it's going to take time, so be patient, but eventually the good work you do will be the reason why you will make a lot of money in the future. But again, if you do everything correctly, not like how I did in the beginning, well, you should be ready to make money in around 3 to 6 months, 6 months right here, which is a lot better than 4 years like I did, because again, I did it wrong. But you can do it better by taking courses and also doing research, which you are doing right now. And now the first thing I really want to break down is exactly, well, Tommy, how does Google AdSense actually work? The answer is, guys, it's kind of like yin yang, and that's why you see so many people out there doing clickbaiting. So basically, the more traffic you have coming into your website, the more money you will make if you have Google AdSense already set up. Now, the process is very simple, guys, okay? If you have a website, either YouTube, either a blog or a website selling things online, whatever you want to do, the answer is, if you have traffic coming in, interest coming in, well, the answer is businesses want a piece of that attention on your website. So they're willing to pay some money to have some real estate on your website and put in ads on it, and that way they might sell their products, thus they make money, but you also make money by promoting their entire thing on the side of your entire blog or your website or your YouTube channel by putting ads on mid-rolls into your videos. And once you decide to set up AdSense, basically AdSense is the link between you and the business owner, and that way you get ads on your entire website, but they also get revenue by putting ads out there, thus having a likely more chance of actually having sales on their products. And that's how it basically works. It's kind of like, you know what? I make money, they make money, Google makes money, and everyone out there makes money. So again, everyone is happy. Now, you have to remember, guys, okay, the overall idea is basically more traffic means more revenue, means more money. Now, this thing is pretty cool. Okay, very simple, but the main problem is if you get lost in the sauce, just in the money, you'll make a lot of clickbait content, like the news media and all that type of stuff. Like, hey, click here, some guy lost his finger and then grew it back yesterday. Like, okay, let me click right here. It's kind of like, oh, but it's not about that at all. It's about like Britney Spears. Like, what's going on here? So you want to make sure while you're making money and you want to make more money by getting more traffic, you still keep your authenticity. It's very important. Don't lose that, because if you lose that, people will lose interest in you also. So be yourself, be real with the content you post, and don't just go out there and always do clickbait, 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 because eventually that will turn on you. And you might be wondering, well, Tommy, why would Google AdSense focus on me and my channel, my blog, my small piece of the internet, and not somebody else's? The answer is they focus on everyone. So basically, once you have a channel or a blog, you have an audience already there. Well, that audience you actually have, that traffic coming in, well, advertisers want that, because basically that's how they make sales, by showing those people that have an interest in it already that, hey, buy this product, here's an ad for it, I hope you buy it. That's how it works. Okay, now Google AdSense is basically the link between you and the advertiser, and that way they make money, you make money, but also Google AdSense make money. And later on in the video, I'll tell you exactly how much money they make, how they make the money, and how much money does it cost you to have them make money also. Because in the end, guys, remember this, okay? A positive balance in your account is a negative balance on somebody else's account. What do you mean here, Tommy? The answer is, I mean that basically, the entire thing is like a triangle. The triangle goes like this, okay? You have Google Ads, where people actually post their ads, businesses in this case, they post their ads right here to then market to your website, the second part of the triangle, and then you have Google AdSense that pays you money for people actually watching those ads or clicking on those ads. Very simple. However, in the future, when businesses don't have enough money during an entire down cycle in the market or anything like that, when they don't have money to actually post ads out there, you won't make as much money. So you always want to make sure, although you might make a lot of money right now, you want to make sure you save that money and bulk it up on the side and invest into other things, because in the future, you might not have as much money coming in as you do right now. So remember, it's a triangle. You have Google Ads, then you have you have Google AdSense, and that's how it works. A negative on the business side, a positive on you, and the Google AdSense also makes money by having them take a cut from it. But tell me, how exactly does Google AdSense actually make money? The answer is very simple. Well, they take a percentage of the money advertisers are willing to pay for those ads on your entire website. And that percentage is basically between 22% all the way up to 49%. So in reality, you make between 68% all the way down to 51%. You're always making more than half. And if you ask me, Tommy, is this fair? The answer is, well, right now it is, because they're the only one actually doing this the best way. But in the future, when somebody else comes in, more competition happens, well, it might not be the best case. But right now, it's fair. It's good because they have the best product out in the market right now. Do I think it's gonna be forever? The answer is probably not. So now the second thing I want to answer is, well, Tommy, how do I set up the entire process? Okay, how do I set up Google AdSense? The answer is, it's very, very simple. I have a link down below. If you click it for Google AdSense, once you click it, you get a button, and the button says get started. You click that button, you put in your information, and then boom, now you're a partner. You're part of it. Now, the main thing is, Tommy, but how do I qualify for it? Because for YouTube it's different, Blogger is different, and if you have your own website, it's also different. The answer is, each website has different rules, okay? For example, YouTube wants 1K subscribers, 4,000 hours watched, and then Blogger also wants different things also. But those are because they're host sites. So basically, a host site is YouTube or the Blogger website because you're a part of it. It's not your own website. And they have requirements to actually get you to actually earn money. However, if you have your own website, it's different. You can sign up right now and it's normal. You don't need to qualify for anything. All you need to do is just keep in line with their policies and don't try to do anything crazy on your website, like posting content that people don't really want to see and is not advertiser friendly. That's the main thing. The main factor is basically being advertiser friendly. And on top of that, also you need traffic, yes. So obviously, the more traffic you have, the more money you'll make. But when it comes to qualifying, that doesn't matter unless you're doing it with a host site like YouTube or Blogger. But if you have your own website, it doesn't matter as much, okay? Now, guys, please remember one thing here, okay, guys? You are starting a business, so it will take time to actually make revenue from it. Don't try to make money the first day, second day, and then get disappointed. It does not work like that. It takes time, and if you're not willing to wait, well, you will probably fail. Now, the second thing is this, guys. You have to learn about your craft and then put it into practice and step by step keep growing. It's not going to be overnight. When you first start off, you probably will not be good, okay? When I started out 4 years ago, I was not that great either, okay? The concept is, guys, to learn, take courses, learn from people, read books, and eventually you will make money in the future. But it all depends on the work you put in today to then actually make money in the future. YouTube, websites, blogs, they all work the same. You post content today, tomorrow, the next day, over and over again. Eventually, one person watches today, then tomorrow, and then it builds up like a snowball, and then you have a lot of people watching you every single day, but it's step by step, it's not overnight. It takes time. Now, one tip I got from someone is basically telling me, you want to spend 3 to 6 months building your audience, and then you want to monetize them, but you don't want to basically just put ads right now on your blog or your YouTube channel because you want to wait until you have the audience and then you put ads on it. Now, if you want to do that, you can if you want to, but if you qualify for it right now on YouTube, I recommend you do it right now. But for a blog, don't go out there and put like 15 ads on your entire like blog post or your website. It's annoying. You don't want to do that. Just don't overwhelm people. Build your audience first. Make it like seamless, and that way eventually you can monetize it and make money from it. But you already have the audience, and people already trust you and know exactly who you are. But again, if you're just in it for the money, it probably won't work out because you won't last. Because in the beginning, it does take time to actually make the money. So be patient. 3 to 6 months of consistent work. That's all I'm asking for, okay? Not 7, 6 months. If you make content every single day for 6 months, I guarantee you'll see some results when you actually monetize your channel or your blog or your website. Guaranteed. Great content though. And following the rules, I guarantee you'll see results. And now for the last part of this video, guys, well, tell me, how can I make the most money from Google AdSense? The answer is, guys, it's very simple. You know, the more views, the more traffic, the more money, okay? But the main thing is this, guys, you know, it sounds great corny, but if you focus on the money and only the money, you probably won't make the content that will get you the money. You'll focus on like, hey, I want to go viral. but that already went viral, so in reality, it won't really work. So you want to focus on value, 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 over and over and over again, every single day consistently, and then eventually you will make a ton of money. But in the end, it's very simple. More traffic, more money. For example, okay, I have my girlfriend right now. She's starting a YouTube channel, and basically her channel is going to be based on science. But this channel right here, she knows that for a fact that she's not going to make money for the first 6, maybe first year. So she knows that she needs to do everything correctly, but she's willing to do it because, again, the money is important in a sense, but for that first year, she built the foundation and also the audience, so she won't make a lot of money. So if you're not willing to do that, it probably won't work. But again, okay, money is important. Don't lose focus on that, but also focus on the value and the content you're willing to create to then actually get to that point of like, hey, I'm making a ton of money now, but it takes time to get to that point. Oh, and guys, I also made sure to include in the description down below, basically 2 articles based on the best ways to put ads on your entire website, okay? So make sure you read those articles down below. There's 2 of them, and that way you will get the most information out there on how to, by the way, it's not like 50 pages or 20 pages, like 1 page, okay? So it's just like 11 steps, 10 steps to basically put the best ads on your channel or your website, and that way you make the most amount of money. But in the beginning, remember this, okay, guys? In the beginning, you have to take it step by step, day by day. But those articles are going to be very helpful, trust me. Now, the last thing is this, guys. I think that Google Adsense is very good because basically, once you set it up, it does everything automatically, and the only time you have to look at it again is basically whenever you're getting paid every single month, and that's about it, okay? They do a great job at making sure everything is done seamlessly, and no, you don't have to pick up like, hey, I want this ad or that ad. You don't have to do that at all. Everything is done automatically by them. And guys, that is basically it for this video. Comment down below and let me know, does this make sense, and are you gonna try it, and did you sign up? Comment down below, let me know. And as always, guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, like this video, really appreciate it. And on top of that, also subscribe to the channel, hit the bell so you get notified. And if you want to talk to me one-on-one, uno, just DM me on Instagram, type Bryson. And also, before I go, if you want to watch a full video on how Amazon affiliates works, we'll watch this video right here. And also, my face right here, so turn around. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching, and as always, peace.